If you apply this one thing in your life, you will most likely achieve anything. I was failing a lot. It didn't bother me. I didn't know why. I thought I was just relentless, right? I thought I was cool. But this was not the case because right now I'm not that relentless anymore. If you apply this one thing in your life in achieving your goals, you will most likely achieve anything, really, that you really put yourself into it, really work hard, you will achieve. Because this is just you just cheat your way onto success, really. Like it becomes so easy that you don't really care about it. You don't even care about that much about winning, neither about losing, because you touch yourself, you touch your dopamine levels on the process, and not on the result. And this just shifts completely how you feel when you fail. And so when you fail and you have your dopamine attached to the process and not the result, there's no problem. You don't care, not that much. But when you are really wanting this result and you don't care about the process and you're just doing this for the sake of the result and only the result. Now the result matters, of course it matters, but you're not supposed to make it more important than the process is, because if you do and you fail, it will not happen again. You are most likely to not want to do that again. And this is the one single thing I think that separate high achievers from anybody else, because they are capable of keep on going, continuing, fail over and over again, because they put the importance, they attach their dopamine levels to the process. If you do that, well, you kind of enjoy the process and you don't care about the results. You don't care that much. You care about it a little bit. When I was failing a lot in the beginning, and I was doing that unconsciously, I didn't know I was doing this. Now I started feeling like, hey, I should be succeeding right now. This is not normal. Like, I deserve this. I work super extra hard. I make tons of sacrifices. I don't do nothing but work super extremely hard. And yet, the result that I want is not coming. And when I fail and when I see that, it just hits harder than it used to, because I was not focused on the process anymore. I was not focused on learning. I was not focused on progress. I was focused on the end result. That's it. I didn't care about nothing else but the end result, because I was, man, I deserve this. I need to have this right now. And then I don't. And then it crushes you. And then you don't want to do it again, because what crazy man wants to do again something that doesn't feel good and it's extremely hard? And you start doubting yourself and you start being in a so low level of dopamine, because you just were not accumulating dopamine and we're expecting that pleasure, expecting that big moment, and then nothing. And even worse, you lose. Like it's not just the absence of it, it's negative consequence. If I put in more importance on the process, I would have not felt that missing joy at the end of the process. If you want to succeed, never fail again, you absolutely have to do this. Put importance on the process. Enjoy the process. Put your dopamine. Associate some reward with the process. Keep growing, improving, progress, really. It should be the most important thing for you and not the end result. Because if you associate really with the end result and just crave yourself during the process, most likely the end result at one point or another is not going to come. Like, you're going to fail. Accept it. I've accepted that, but I have not accepted the fact that it will be super hard when I associate myself with only the end result. And so I'm shifting right now into appreciating the process. It's way easier and much more rewarding because you enjoy it. Yeah, if you want to join a like-minded group of people elevating each other out positively, succeed, achieve our goals and dreams, join this community. Subscribe, like the video if you find it useful, and I'll see you on the other video, and they will help you.